There's really two main purposes for this conference. Number one, we take seriously the education of our students, and we not only want to talk theoretically about the music industry, but we want to bring them to the music industry and bring the music industry to them.
We're in an industry where you fail, you learn, you grow. So by going to this conference, I'm going to teach you about a lot of my failures, a lot of other people's failures, so you can learn from those mistakes before you make them yourself. If you have that knowledge, that wisdom of other people's failures, if you look back before you look forwards, you're going to be in a much stronger position to make it in the music business.
We are very intentional about providing speakers from all different walks of life in the music industry, whether it's the American Idol stuff, or it's EA Games, or it's a performer like Ruben Studdard or Carrie Underwood. Really, the fields are ripe for opportunity for those who are passionate, talented, educated, and who have a real entrepreneurial spirit.
So you've got to be in the right time, the right place, with the right people. It's all about connections, timing, and then at the end of the day, a bit of talent too.